I'm now ready with my bread, which looks like this after proofing, more like a cookie than a bread. And as you can see, the temperature is set to 200. It's on both elements on because I want even baking on both sides. The timer doesn't work, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so all that I do is I've kept it in the middle rack so that it gets equal heat from both sides. Place it in the center of the oven like that. Start a timer of 22 minutes. I've set it for 22 minutes because I know that works perfectly for me. You can try with your oven and see what works out. Once the first 20 minutes are done, as you can see here, I have a foil ready, which I convert to a tin foil, and then I loosely cover the bread tin and bake for another 22 minutes. This is to prevent burning of the crust, otherwise the choco chips just become brittle and taste bitter. So there is my bread. It'll bake for 22 minutes, then it gets covered with a tin foil another 22 minutes, and we are ready to go.